Hello everyone and welcome back. Decorating the house on Diwali with a traditional touch of lighting always brings some great memories together. But with the change in time and trends, adding that touch of newness to the traditional method can amp up the space in a more creative way. Today, I decided to share with you few simple but great ways to add some trendy touches to the lighting setup and bring more spark in your existing festive decor. For this video, I am happy to collaborate with Flipkart for their big Diwali Dhamaka sale. I believe this will help you all in finding the best collection for home decor at unbelievable prices. With up to 80% off on home decor brands, Flipkart sale actually brings the lowest price ever on home decor items. With genuine brands, cash on delivery, easy returns and refunds, Flipkart was hands down my best bet for finding these dream home decoratives in an economical way. Now let's see how. I wanted to do up my dining space nicely with some minimum festive touch and adding a candle as a centerpiece. Our love for candle increases even more during the Diwali time. But placing a stand-alone candle can look a little incomplete. So I added the star of the show, this gold candle holder. A very contemporary and a new age design which can amp up any candle beautifully. And this statement piece looked classy and added beauty to this dining setup just right. I also added few fresh flowers to bring some festive vibe without much effort. Truly speaking, this candle holder is a solo decor piece in itself which shines bright as a centerpiece on my dining table. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. These festive delights on home decor can be found in abundance on Flipkart Mega Diwali offers in their decor section. I will suggest you go and check your best buy there. Speaking of candles, I wanted some more decorative centerpieces in my existing space. And I was so thrilled to find this lovely Buddha decor piece on Flipkart. The face of the Buddha is beautifully carved and looks very attractive. It comes with a lotus-shaped candle holder and some potpourri, making it a complete decor piece in itself. The lotus-shaped tea light holder in the center of the showpiece looks very striking. I choose to keep the potpourri aside this time and instead place some colorful real petals in this Buddha tray to bring the Diwali feel. And here it is, a complete decor piece to lit up my center table exactly how I wanted. Be it festive or non-festive days, Buddha always gives a very calming touch to the home decor. Another fun and creative way to use the tea light candles is by placing them in some attractive tea light holders. While browsing the Flipkart sale, I was thrilled to find many beautiful diya and candle holders starting from a range of just ₹79. And my heart stopped at these beautiful glass candle holders. These come in a set of 4 and look very elegant. These tea light holders come with the embossed star motif and spread the light quite beautifully. I will use 2 of these holders to light up the dark space under my tall table. So instead of placing simple tea light candles, these holders are just adding that much extra glam which I needed for this Diwali season. The remaining 2 candle holders I'll use for a little DIY. I will stick some toothpicks in the fresh flowers and place them in these candlelight holders to create a mini vase. I'll place them at already lit up places to add to the existing festive feel. Isn't that a great idea to double up your existing decor? Let me know in the comments below. So the table placements are looking quite alluring, but I also wanted to bring some subtle festive touch to the blank walls, which can also complement the space with or without a festive vibe. I happen to find many attractive decorative lighting under Rs 399 and grabbed these two metal wall tea light holders at an absolute steal deal. I found the clean, simple and minimalistic design of these tea light hangers very attractive. They come with these tinted glass cups that fit well in the holder. Dark area or a lit up space, choice is yours, because these tea light candle holders will look beautiful at any segment of the house. If you are a DIY person like me, then bringing new ways to add lights creatively has no bar. And these bottle cork fairy lights are best to fit into any Diwali DIY. I had some old bottles to which I gave a little DIY touch, but the real magic happened as soon as I used these fairy lights. Boring waste bottles turned into creative lamps in no time. I used a few more of these lights in other creative ways because frankly, these lights gave me enough freedom to experiment. They are battery operated and can be placed anywhere. So explore your choices on Flipkart and shop festive decor from Rs 99 in the ongoing sale. My next purchase was these string lights. Among so many options of rice lights and wall lamps under Rs 499, Ruthvi chose these star-shaped lights which looked ultra festive. I immediately knew where to place them. And the moment these lights were up, the entire dining space was looking so bright and vibrant. They are different from regular string lights and are adding some great glamour to my house. Since star was the demand of the hour, I also bought these small star clip lights to use them as another DIY decor. I simply stuck together some real flowers and ashok leaves to tuck it in the clips of these lights and hung them nice and tight at the entry of my gallery way. An easy peasy bandha wall was up within no time. Diwali, Christmas and the New Year. I think these lights are going to blink festivities for a while. I hope the video was helpful and you could find some good ideas to light up your house differently this Diwali. You can save a lot of money by shopping everything at the lowest price in the Flipkart Big Diwali Dhamaka sale. Join me on Instagram to peek into my festive preparations and do subscribe to the channel as a pleasant Diwali gift. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, enjoy the festivities.